Okay. Day 3 out in this mess. I want to see where we at as far as progress with this apartment. Looks like a lot of the tree is already gone. Let's go take a look. Oh boy. Okay, it's open now. Oh, Jesus. Oh, my. Okay, looks like structurally the apartment is still intact. I got a hole in the roof there. Stairs are gone. I'm gonna take pictures as well. Oh, this is craziness. This used to be my stairway. There's some damage up there. My patio looks like it's okay. Yeah. My window's all cracked and broken. So more than likely there's going to be some water damage in my living room. Oh boy. It's going to be a while before I can get in my place. I'm going to lose all my food. Oh, Jesus, 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 Jesus. It's going to be a mess. I'll probably have to get new furniture. Because right here, that's open. Bugs bit me on my hand. And right there, it's open. Glass is broken. Oh, I need to get inside to see how bad it is. But yeah, don't look good. Okay. Hi!
Oh my God.
Did you get my text message?
Yes.
Okay.
I hadn't had